When you evaluate an expression on a graphing calculator, the result is stored in an area called ANS for last answer. And we can use this in a lot of ways. So for example, let's say I take two relatively large numbers and I multiply them. Now if you want to use this result in future calculations, it would be incredibly tedious to keep re-entering this number. That's where the answer function comes into place. So if I hit second, and then in this case it's by the minus button in the blue letters right here, it says ANS. That's the answer recall. Now when it displays ANS, you can treat that as a variable. In other words, this last answer that we used is now represented by this variable, and we can take that and we can then we can evaluate a different expression with this answer as a variable. So I could double it, for example. And you can do this in other ways. You can do, let's say, 5 times, and then you can recall that answer that you just had. Now this answer is referring to this one right here. By pressing enter, right, you get this new result right there. So you can use this answer in repeated calculations and treat it as a variable for quick recall. This even works if you turn off the graphing calculator. When you turn it back on, if you hit second answer, right, it'll recall the value of your last answer, and it will display it right there in case you've forgotten it or not sure which answer it's recalling. Thanks.